These are breakfast. There's the tea. Now the cereal section. All the nuts and walnuts. We have the watermelon. Taking a video. Beautiful. Yogurt. Fruits. Oh, those cherries are beautiful. Banana. Cheese. Cherries. Very, very sweet. Pork cut, cheese. And now the hot, we have scrambled egg, baked beans, grilled tomato, beef bacon, and this is the place where you ordered scrambled eggs with all the condiments. And we have the beef and chicken sausage, hash brown, boiled egg, and all juices. This is the for some yogurt, all different kind of yogurt. Oh, those are fresh dates. I have to get some of those.
You're very good, madam?
Yeah, I want to look at the cheese again. There. And now we go to another section, Arabic station, they call it. I'm taking a video. There's this full meat hummus. I don't know what it means. And this is the juices. Toasting the bread. View outside. There's all those bottled jams. And this is the bread section. What's that? Oh, there's must be a cinnamon roll. All this bread. Donut. Bun. Croissant. More cake. Very good. I tried that. With some kind of another pastry with pistachio on top. Danish, different kind of Danish. Some kind of a twist. The background.